Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Harendra. So today I am here because I took challenge to speak English 13 day approx per day. I speak 5 to 6 minutes, and this is the same place because I feel very comfortable and calm in this place. So that is I am here, but I feel very comfortable. Nowadays I read a book. I would like to tell you how to improve and these type of activity I am doing, and I speak perfectly and speak fluently. So today I will tell you a one book. What is which book help a lot while speaking English confidently, because your confidence will be boost and you feel enthusiastic while watch reading these type of book. Yes, I will share how I will definitely achieve my goals. I have so many goals. I want to become a fluent speaker in this language, so that is I am reading lot of reading and practicing speaking. Yes, so I would like to tell you, if you want to learn this language, so first you have to a warning desire and do action immediately. Yes, you action immediately. Yes, I would like to tell you, I have read this book name is You Can Win, यानी तुम जीत सकते हो, written by शिव खेड़ा जी, any writer of शिव खेड़ा. I right now I am learning this book. So this book helps a lot because I have a self doubt. I can speak English or not. I don't discipline, how to do discipline and how to do meditation every day. What will happen if you do meditation every day? Your subconscious power increased day by day. So you have to do and do meditation every day, 5 to 6 minutes. Thoughts are come in your mind, then you have to fight that thoughts and you have to feel calm and peaceful, and you take breath and enhance your breath. Then you feel very comfortable and your subconscious power and your ability increased to learning anything. You definitely speak English in a few days, then you feel very, my memory is doing better day by day because doing meditation. So you should have a start meditation. How to do? If you want to know how to do, you can search in Google, you can search on YouTube. Next video I will be definitely make how to do meditation, on what meditation helps a lot to learning anything, and stay fit, stay motivated. Okay, bye bye, take care, and do subscribe my channel.